Hi Lisa, so to change default validation messages, we do this in the library area. So if you come into your library here, I've created one down here. So the message we're looking for is require valid numbers minimum. So that's just saying basically this is the message that appears for specifying the minimum that a number needs to be. So you want to change this default message that will pull into your survey. So we'll just go ahead and click on create new message. For the message type, just select validation messages. You can give it a name here with description so you know what this message is called, so we can pull it into your survey. Once you have that named, basically we can change as many different validation messages as we want. Each one will appear in a different part of the survey. So if you click on add validation, it will just come up here. So select validation and you'll get a huge list of all of the different validation messages that are default in Qualtrics. So the one we are looking for is up here somewhere. Bear with me for 1 second. Um, Let me find minimum. Okay. Require minimum choice amount. I think that's the one. If not, there's down here. Oh, there we are. Require valid number and numbers minimum. So if you click on this, you'll see that this is the message that actually currently appears for you. Each value must be greater than or equal to, and then whatever number is the lowest number that you specify. So we're going to change this. So we can just change it to each value must be, for example, between. And this will always just calculate to be whatever number is the minimum. So that'll just calculate to be 1. And then you can say 1 to 5. So each value must be between 1 to 5. And you can leave that percentage there because that's just going to make sure it's kind of like pipe text, making sure it's like pipe text. And then you just click save. You can add more if you need to, but for now we'll just click save. Then all you need to do is in your project area, we go into survey options. And then there's an option here that says use custom survey validation messages. So we just click on that. It will say click here to choose a message or something like that. Then go to my library and find your new message or whatever you've just called that. So I just click new message, click save. And then when we preview the survey and try and progress without actually entering anything or entering the incorrect numbers in here, you'll see that the error message we get is the one we specified. So each value must be between 1 to 5. So that's how you will change a default message. Obviously, when you create custom validation, you can set a new message and create your own. But for the default messages, that's how you go about it. So I hope this answers your question. But if you do have any questions on this, please just let me know.